Angel hair noodles and shrimps is a healthy and delicious meal that is easy to prepare. The combination of angel hair noodles, shrimps, mushrooms, and red cabbage juice makes for a satisfying dish that is both filling and nutritious. You can even decide to add other ingredients such as different vegetables or herbs for added flavor. This simple yet tasty meal will be ready in no time, making it the perfect quick dinner solution for busy weeknights. This recipe is also gluten-free, so it's a great option for those who are following a gluten-free diet. Angel hair noodles are a type of pasta that is made from a combination of wheat flour and egg whites. The noodles have a light, delicate texture and an abundant flavor. This makes them perfect for adding to any type of dish, including salads, soups, and stir-fries. When it comes to nutrition, angel hair noodles provide an excellent source of protein as well as essential vitamins and minerals. They are also low in fat, with only half a gram per 100 gram serving. The addition of shrimps can provide even more nutritional value to the dish by adding healthy fats and essential vitamins like B12 and iron. With their light flavor and delightful texture, angel hair noodles make a great choice for creating nutritious meals in no time. Red cabbage is one of the most popular vegetables due to its nutritive content and wide range of health benefits. It's an excellent source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and manganese. Red cabbage juice has even higher concentrations of these vitamins and minerals. Studies have also shown that red cabbage juice can help reduce inflammation in the body, as well as improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. Adding mushrooms to any dish is a great way to add a nutritious and delicious ingredient. Not only are they delicious, but they are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. They are also an excellent source of healthy protein and can help reduce the risk of disease. But, not all mushrooms are created equal. Preparing this dish at home can be a great way to make a special moment with your loved one even more special. You can enjoy it together and make lasting memories. With the right ingredients and techniques, you can easily prepare this dish at home and make it just as good as the one served in a restaurant. And when you eat it, you will definitely feel like you are in heaven. So why not give it a try?